Hubby. Hi guys, welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101 and listen. Today is Friday and I am off of work today, so I'm super excited and have a full day of just stuff to cram in there and get done that I was not able to do during the week. So guys, I am about to head over to get my pedicure done. Then I need to stop at UPS to return my Amazon package because I actually ordered some Adidas like footwear type of workout type of shoes and they do not fit. So they run big and I'm just like, I'm not about to just even play around with this and try to make it work and it's not working. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and return those and order some more because your girl is trying to get into the working out. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna be working out every single day or every other day, but I'm just gonna at least try to go work out 2 times a week to start off. I also want to go to like a Chinese buffet because I've been like super duper craving like something with some sushi or like hibachi, something like that. So y'all, that's my plans so far. I do want to go to TJ Maxx too, or like Roses or Ross, somewhere like that, and get like some fall decor because it is October and I'm like, I don't want all that kind of spooky stuff in my home, but I do want to get like some pumpkins, some stuff like harvest type of things like for decor for my kitchen. So I wanted to take you along with me to do that today. And y'all, I'm so excited to see you guys because it's been like a few days but I'm super excited to see you guys and come along with me, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey y'all, so let me turn my AC down. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So I just came from getting my toes done and I already had my nails done. So I'm super happy. My toes looking real good and cute and spicy. So me and my girl are about to meet up at my house and we are gonna get us some margaritas. So yeah y'all, that's what I'm doing now, and it is lunchtime, so we're gonna try to catch these lunch specials. And I think I want me some like chicken nachos or something, I don't know, but something cute and you know, a nice little margarita. So when I get there, I will see you guys. Oh, I do have to make one stop really quick though. So I'm stopping at the UPS store like I told you guys. I need to return these shoes. But when I get to the restaurant, I will see y'all when we get there. So I am back home from the Mexican restaurant and I'm so sorry guys, my camera ended up dying when right after I got like a glimpse of the food, it went dead. So I'm sorry, but anyways, I'm back home. I'm actually making some lasagna, so I was like how about we just go ahead and make this lasagna together, you know? So what I did here was I cut up some orange peppers, some green peppers, and some onions. You may not be able to see the onions too well because they're white. The sauce that I'm going to use today is the Ragu Chunky Tomato Garlic Onion. And I also have some petite diced tomatoes. This one is basil, garlic, and olive oil. And I do have another tomato sauce over there in case I need it. The meat I'm using, I have some Italian style sausage. Turkey sausage, and I also have some ground beef, and I'm going to use half of this. So guys, I'm going to take you guys over to the stove and let's get this thing going. Alright guys, so I have half of the ground beef in here and half of the turkey sausage. And what I'm gonna do is just start building that flavor of my meat sauce. But I first want to start with seasoning. And that was Sazone. I'm gonna add in some bone sucking sauce. Love, love, love this, guys. So good. A little bit of chili powder. A little bit. Onion and garlic. I know you're like, I'm just throwing it on top, but I'm gonna mix this all in. So just give it a second, guys. The garlic. And I'm also gonna add in just a little bit of the steak seasoning. Just a little bit. Okay. And some adobo as well. I'm heavy on the adobo. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm just gonna break up this meat. And mix it all in. Breaking it up, y'all. Breaking it up. Okay. So what I like to do is first kind of cook my meat a little bit first. And then I'll add in my peppers, my onions as well. And then if there's any excess oil in my pot, I want to get rid of that too. So I'll drain a little bit of that first before adding in my tomato sauce. Alright guys, so I forgot to add in my Italian sausage, sweet Italian sausage. So let me just show you guys kind of what I do with this, because I add it into my meat as well. So I just kind of take it like this, get a cut through it like that, so it's kind of split open, and I literally just take that layer of skin. It's a thin layer of skin around it, as you guys can see. And I just pull it off, throw it in there. And I do that to my other ones as well. I'll show you guys another one. And it will cook right in that meat as if it was like, you know, part of it. Super easy and simple. Slice it down the middle, get a piece of that thin layer of skin, throw it in there. And I just have one more, guys, to show you. And this adds a good layer of flavor as well. So what we're doing, we're literally just building up that flavor of our meat sauce. Building up that flavor of that meat sauce. So of course you're going to want to push that down up in there too. Yes, 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 yes. Just like that, guys. Alright guys, so I just drained my meat and I'm placing it back inside of here. So as you can see, it's all done. And what I'm going to do is add in my peppers, my onions, my green peppers, and my orange peppers. Add all that in there. And then we're going to add in our ragu as well. If I can get it open, there we go. And just pour that in there, y'all. Pour all up in there. I may have to transfer pots, y'all. I may have to, but we're going to try to see what we can do first. Okay. And then I also have some diced tomatoes with the basil and oregano and the olive oil. So let me open up that can. Perfect. And I'm just going to add all of these tomatoes as well. Right up in there. I'm going to try to get all of the ragu out of here. So I just added in some water. Shake it up. Pour. Okay. And we are going to get to mixing this in and see if we're going to need to get us another pot or not. We are going to see. So what I always kind of do is just that fold over method. Okay. Yep. Just fold it over. I don't think I'm gonna need another can of sauce. I think it may be good. Yep. So once I do this, I also season a little bit more, and this is where I kind of add in my brown sugar as well. Okay. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. All right, let me turn up my heat just a little bit to about 6.5. Guys, I had to go and get my brown sugar as well. So this is actually light brown sugar. And I'm just going to add in, it may look like a lot, but this is going to be a big pot of lasagna. So it's not going to be too bad. All right. So what we're going to do from here is just add that in there as well. Yes, guys. This is going to be some good sauce. So I'm just letting all those flavors kind of combine together. Let those peppers wilt down just a little bit. And we're going to start layering our lasagna. I do add ricotta. I know some people don't like ricotta. I do, but I just don't like a lot of ricotta. Like, not too much. I feel like sometimes people kind of overdo it with the ricotta. And I don't want to do that. Sometimes what I'll even do is just add in just the ricotta mixed in with my meat. But I'm not going to do that today. And right now I'm just adding a little bit of my Louisiana Cajun. Okay. For some additional flavor. Alright. I'm also going to add in just a little bit of my hamburger seasoning. Because at the end of the day, we are putting a hamburger in here. So just a little bit like that, like so. And a little bit more of that bone sucking. I'm basically re-seasoning with the seasonings that I use to season the meat, basically. A little of that Sazon, and I love Sazon. So I'm just gonna let this kind of just come together. I'm gonna let it just go and simmer for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, I am back and the meat sauce is done. Look at that, it looks so delicious. So I just have my pan here, my empty pan, and then I also have my lasagna noodles, and they are not all the way done because they're going to finish cooking in that sauce in the pan in the oven. So the cheese I'm going to be using is sharp cheddar as well as mozzarella, and of course we have some ricotta. So my baby is actually going to help me out because I'm a bit tired, and he's going to go ahead and do the rest. So you guys just watch him do the rest, y'all. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we wanted to start with a layer of sauce on the bottom of the pan. And now he is just getting those lasagna noodles layered on top.
Because some people don't.
So we're just doing ours with a little dab here and there because I am a person that likes ricotta, but I do not like lasagna with heavy ricotta. I think sometimes people overdo it with the ricotta. So we're just going to dib and dab ours. We're not going to go extra with the ricotta. We like a more meaty and cheesy lasagna with a thin coating of ricotta. So as you guys can see, we are just layering that. Thank you, baby, for helping me.
No problem.
All right, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So this lasagna is ready for the oven. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm ready to eat. So I got some fresh parsley here, and I'm literally just going to break off just to make it look pretty, y'all. We want it to be looking nice and pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some of this parsley, fresh parsley, on top, like so. Okay, and it's gonna be good, y'all. It is gonna be delicious. So I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for about 30 to 45 minutes, just depending. Just gonna keep watching out for it. So whenever you're making anything, you just want to always, because everybody's oven is different, so the times will vary. So just keep watching out for it. Just make sure you're not over burning it or overcooking anything. And that is the key. Just keep your eyes on it. And y'all, okay. Oh yeah, y'all, I forgot to tell you, I got my nails done. Ooh, ain't they cute, y'all? Hope y'all can see them. Yes, and my toes are the same. Okay, that was just a mini blooper. All right, y'all, so we're gonna put this in the oven and all right, guys, so the lasagna is done, you guys. So we let it bake in the oven for about 35 minutes, something in between 30 to 40 minutes. We let it bake and it is done, you guys. So my mother's on the way as well to get her and my dad a plate. We are letting the lasagna rest, but you guys, let me let y'all get a good glimpse of this lasagna. Hold on, I'm gonna just bring you guys down a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. I am excited. My mouth is watering. I am ready to eat. So yes, guys, this is the lasagna, and it was made with love. And guys, if you're new here, I don't know what you're waiting for. As I always say, it's a vibe over here. So I don't know what you're waiting for. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.